welcome everyone to this very first quarterfinal of our very first themed quizzing with the comedians. Most of you attended the first quizzing with the comedian that happened last month, and this month we are trying something new because we asked a lot of people as to what, in case you ever want to watch a themed quiz, what should be the topic, and a lot of people said movies because movies we believe is something that all of us watch, and that is why we created this small themed uh, competition, which is only about movies. So every single question asked will be around movies. Okay, without further ado, I'm going to call all the four contestants. I'm going to call everyone alphabetically. That's the best way to go. And the first contestant on today's first quarterfinal is someone who has actually been a part of movies. One of the few people in our entire tournament who've actually done movies. She is a movie buff. Everyone give it up for our first contestant, Asaf Channa. My next contestant is another very good friend of mine. She has not done movies, but she's a big movie buff. So let me call the second quarterfinalist, Prashasti Singh. Prashasti and I talk so often on Zoom that we are very used to seeing each other in this frame.
Hi,
in the whiteboard.
Hi.
This quarterfinal is just like my different Zoom calls all clubbed together. Every single person on this call is someone that is a part of one different group. Okay, I'm going to call the third person. Huge movie buff. Has also done movie, by the way, and has done a lot of web series. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Shantanu Anam.
Woo! Yeah, Shantanu.
Hey guys, and hi Prashasti. Hi Asaf.
Hi, Shantanu.
Wow.
I'm very nervous.
And of course, the last participant is also one of those few contestants in this tournament who have actually done a movie. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sulagna Panigrahi.
Hello! Hi everyone, matching QM's background.
Oh, I should give 1 point to Sulagna only for that frame. Cool. Okay. So we start with our business. I'd like to welcome all of you again, and thank you so much for doing this. But it's not about winning; it's about enjoying. It's about something that all of us love, which is movies. For all of you know, like I already said, it will be every question will be movie related. In all likelihood, it will be a 50-50 split between Hollywood and Bollywood. Okay. So that's the thing. I will start the presentation.
It's not about winning, but हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं.
Whoa.
I'm giving 1 point to Sulagna for that movie reference.
तो ये बकचोदी वाले पॉइंट इसमें भी है. Okay, got it.
ये मूवी क्विज है.
Last time I lost because I didn't have Bakchodi points.
Yeah,
I'm gonna do full Bakchodi now. I don't know any.
For those who are joining us for the first time, Shantanu, Sulagna, and Prashti were also part of the last tournament that we did, and so it's the same format. This is what we are trying to say. Okay, there are extra points for humor, creativity, anything that you say at any point, which is funny, which is creative, which is something that I like. I remember
looking very nice today. Skin is glowing.
Okay.
Hair is also shining.
Good
You're
attempt,
the best.
Prashti.
You're the best human being in the world.
Okay, now so it's like it has lost meaning.
चले गया यार. मेरा भी चले गया.
Okay, so you can always try. It will be my discretion. But the bulk of the points will still come with the right answer because those are 10 points. With these Bakchodi, you will get like 0.5, 1, 1, 2. Okay. The participant with the highest point after 45 minutes. 45 minutes is the rough duration of this quiz. We'll see. It might go up, down, but we'll win. Okay. And the winner and the runners-up will qualify for semis. The other two don't qualify, but we still love you. So that's fine. Okay. Okay. So are you guys ready? Can we start with the main thing of today?
Yeah.
Okay. So the very first question of the very first movie tournament will go to Asaf.
Yeah.
Connect these 4 movies. And when I say non-exhaustive, I'm just trying to explain to everyone. Non-exhaustive means that these are not the only 4 movies which are connected through this. There are other movies also. But these 4 are given an example. So you need to tell me what is that one thing that connects these 4 movies. The movies on your screen right now are Highway, Beauty and the Beast, V for Vendetta, and Ravan. So think of the 4 movies. Think of what the story is.
Exactly what is common between these movies?
Yeah, what is that one thing that connects these 4 seemingly different looking movies, but there's one thing that connects all these 4 movies?
Is it kidnapping?
Good track. Can you improve your answer? You will get part points for kidnapping. Can you improve? Can you think you're on the very right track? Try and see if you can improve that track. Kidnapping is a good track to think of. So this is a hint for others also, in case it comes to you guys. Kidnapping is a good track to think about. But I am looking for a more specific answer. Asas gets part points for this, but I'm still looking for that one keyword which is missing in that answer.
I think I'll pass. I mean, I can't
Okay.
think.
Okay. So you will get part points for kidnapping. I'm going to Prashasti now.
Basically, I can see that there is a captive falling in love with the captor, which is the Stockholm syndrome.
What a beautiful answer to start
Yeah,
today's quiz.
I used all the words.
It is, you used all the words that I was looking for. It is Stockholm Syndrome. Stockholm Syndrome is the answer I was looking for. Stockholm Syndrome, for people who don't know, is about when the captor, like Prashasti explained it beautifully well, when the captor falls in love with the captive falls in love with the captor. When, like, usually you think that this is a villain, but then you fall in love with that person. And all these 4 movies, Highway, V for Vendetta, Ravan, are all about this. Okay. So beautiful. I'm going to give 7 to Prashasti for giving the exact right answer. I'm going to give 3 to SR for part points, like on giving part points of the answer, which is about kidnapping and taking someone's captive. Now the next direct question will be to Shantanu. Okay.
Yeah.
This is how infinite bounds works. Okay. Next direct to Shantanu. Question number 2. Inspiration for this nightmarish character include the creator's childhood bully and a homeless person he once saw on the street. Okay, there is a reason that the particular words in the question are in bold, because they are hints. So inspiration for this nightmarish character include the creator's childhood bully and a homeless person he once saw on the street. What character are we talking about?
I'm not sure if this is the right name, but I'm going to say Freddy.
Yeah, very close. Do you want to improve on that answer? You get the bulk of the points for this. Very good answer.
Freddy का सरनेम चाहिए?
कौन सी जात के हैं बताना है आपको.
Giving 0.5 to Prashasti for bringing caste, a very relevant issue to this forum today.
I don't know the full name. I just know Freddy.
Okay,
Freddy
no problem.
Kulshrestha.
Okay, 0.5 I'm giving you already. We will decide how much you get out of 10 once we are done with one round. But you already get bulk of the point. You are absolute right. I'm passing to Sulagna.
Freddie Mercury.
I'm giving 0.5 to Sulagna as well for that beautiful, because I love Queen and I love Freddie Mercury. Okay, going to SR.
Fred.
Freddie?
Fred बोल दिया मैंने.
Fred, no, not Fred.
दोबारा बोल सकती हो.
Freddie Fred. He said
Freddie
it's
Fred.
close. I went closest.
Okay, going to Prashasti now.
उससे
Prashasti.
के मेरे तक आ गया. I don't know.
I'm giving 0.5 more to Prashasti for that impression of this character.
I don't. Freddie Gonzalez. I have no idea.
Okay, I can't give more points to Prashasti. I really want to, but okay. So all 10 points go to Shantanu, because there's no point giving hint and going back again, because we all know none of you knows the surname. I was waiting to go one round so that I could split 7-3 or 6-4 or 8-2 kind of a split. But Shantanu gets 10 points because no one else got. So the answer is Freddy Krueger. Okay, and the funda, of course, is Nightmare on the Elm Street.
Elm
Okay,
Street.
Nightmare on the Elm Street.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So Shantanu gets 10 points, which means we move now to Sulagna. This is Sulagna's direct. Sulagna, this is one of my favorite questions, because it's something to do with memes and like the internet culture and all that. Okay, so this song's 2018 recreation. So this is a slightly old song which was recreated in 2018, made it into a meme. Okay. And this is the structure of the meme. Its structure is like this. There's a before-after comparison. The first line of the song is used over a picture depicting initial state of being. And the immediate next line is used over a picture showing a hilarious final condition. What song are we talking about? Okay, is the question clear to everyone? There's a song. The song was recreated in 2018. After that, it became a meme and very, very popular meme structure. And this is what the structure is. There are two photos. First photo will be initial state of being. Second photo will be final condition. And the song will be used in the meme. The first line of the song will be with the first photo. Second line of the song will be with the second photo. And usually the final condition is very hilarious. That's why these memes are funny and they're being shared and all that. Okay, this is Sulagna direct whenever she's ready.
So it's a recent song which was remixed in 2018.
I can't tell you the timeline of the original song, but it was recreated in 2018. But most of us might know it from the original version, not necessarily the recreated version. Do you want to take a guess?
I'll take a guess.
Yeah.
Masakali, although it's recent. Like
Not
recent,
Masakali.
it's not 2018.
No, going to SS, who loves memes.
It's like I know about it, but I just can't think of the song.
It's right here.
Can you tell me if it's an English song or a Hindi song?
I can't now. If someone had asked before Sulagna's turn, I would have told this. But now it's unfair to Sulagna if I give you this extra hint.
Okay. I'm guessing it's a Hindi song. Because Hindi song ही सारे recreate होते हैं, English तो नहीं होते.
I'm giving 0.5 to SS for a commentary on our music industry.
2018 में कौन से गाने recreate होते?
So like I said, recreation is not the big hint here. I think the meme and the original song are the more popular ways to go about the answer. Recreation was not that popular, just that meme suddenly became very popular.
Do I have some more time?
Okay, 10 seconds.
Prashasti knows it.
No, I don't. करने वाला. What
I
are you?
know there's this song, but I can't remember the name. I don't want to give this one up.
It's like
Don't worry, there are a lot of questions left. So take again.
It's like a monkey doing bin bin, you know that song. It's right here.
एक तो ये टी सीरीज ने इतने गाने रिक्रिएट किए हैं ना.
सही में मैं तो जैकलिन सोच के पागल हो गई हूँ.
कितनी चलेगा? नहीं.
No, going to Prashasti now. Prashasti.
क्यों नहीं आ रहा यार ये तो बहुत हम लोग को बहुत चॉप हो गई पता जब ये आएगा सामने स्क्रीन पे तो. I should just make a random guess. No, I don't have the answer. I think कि funny points किससे मिल सकते हैं? Is it? No. नहीं आ रहा यार. Is it Hamma?
No, going to Shantanu.
Oh, very good
Because
guess.
I'm trying to rhyme with Prashasti, I will say Tamma.
Why? No.
Right?
Okay.
Rhyming के points नहीं है.
No. So I'll give a hint. Make it a 5-point question and start with Sulagna again. Okay. This is legit a very popular theme structure. So I'm not doubting that. You must have all seen this. Now I'll give hint about the song. Okay. Like I already said, don't think of recreated songs. वहाँ से नहीं निकलेगा answer. You have to think of meme structure. Okay. This song came in late 90s. That's when the original song came. Okay. And most of the memes are about how were you when you just left your home and how were you after some time.
मिल
Okay.
गया.
We'll start with Sulagna.
घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही.
Yeah, it is the meme.
My God.
घर से निकलते ही,
Oh.
निकलते ही, okay.
Lovely question.
Means I'm giving 5 points to Sulagna. Sulagna
Yay.
gets 5 points. Which means the next direct will be to Asas, question number 4. Asas, so this is another popular template that's used a lot in internet where you explain a movie plot badly. Okay, so this might not necessarily be the actual movie plot, but it's just explained badly. कि उस movie में क्या होता है, ऐसा होता है. But this is not. But there are enough hints in the plot to guide you towards the movie. Okay. So, time for a movie plot explained badly. This is the movie plot explained in a very dodgy manner. This is how It's explained. An American national from Kansas, Kansas is a hint, American national is a hint, enters a foreign land and teams up with three citizens to overthrow the local government. What legendary, like all-time classic movie are we talking about? Like I said, on Twitter and like on all these internet forums, there's a thread where people explain movie plot badly. For example, this guy gave uh, occupation to a lot of people and created his own whatever, and the answer will be Saruman from Lord of the Rings because he gave a job to a lot of people and all that. So this is one way of explaining a movie plot, but like in a really dodgy manner. The example in this case is
I'm sure I've not watched this film. Like I'm 100% sure I've not watched this film. But I'm just gonna take a very wild guess, given the hints. Is it Citizen Kane?
no, not Citizen Kane, but good track. Prashasti, good track. When I say good track, it means like classics of Hollywood. Prashasti,
क्लासिक्स ऑफ हॉलीवुड पूरा हॉलीवुड ही गोल है लेकिन मेरा तो
I wish I could give points for self-awareness, but
is it Citizen Kane is a classics of Bollywood.
yeah.
Of Hollywood.
Hey,
Sorry.
Holly.
Holly.
Holly. Holly.
Is it Captain America?
Not Captain America. Going to Shantanu.
I have no idea. It's is it Rajkumar Santoshi's Pukar?
What? 0.5 to Shantanu for overthrowing governments. Coming to Sulagna now. Sulagna.
I have a very wild guess. Like, is it Avatar?
No, not Avatar.
No.
Not Avatar. Not Avatar. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing that I did in the last question, which I'll give a hint and take one more round. Okay, so the hint is the reason this plot is a hint is because the most famous quote from that movie is that we are not in Kansas anymore. So there's a girl. The girl is the protagonist of the movie, and she reaches a point and she says, "Looks like we are not in Kansas anymore." Okay, and she enters a very different kind of a land. That's the hint for 5 points.
Aya?
आ गया.
मुझसे है क्या?
हाँ तुमसे स्टार्ट हो रहा है ना दोबारा.
मैं फिर से बहुत लंबा सा वाइल्ड सा गैस लूंगी because again given the
Yeah.
hint, is it Kansas?
Not Kansas. Going to Prashasti.
Is it Alice in Wonderland?
Not Alice in Wonderland. Good track. Shantanu.
Wizard of Oz.
Yeah.
It is of course Wizard
Yeah.
of Oz.
Wizard of Oz. Yeah.
5 point to Shantanu. Is it Wizard of Oz? And this is the legendary dialogue where
Lovely.
she says, "I have a feeling we are not in Kansas anymore." This next direct will be Sulagna's direct. Sulagna, your question. The Guinness World Record for most number of extras in a scene is held by the movie X, which features over 300,000 extras. Okay, in the scene of the protagonist's funeral. What movie are we talking about?
Is it Passion of the Christ?
Not Passion of the Christ. Going to Assas now.
कौन सी ऐसी फिल्म थी जिसमें प्रोटैगनिस्ट बहुत फेमस था और मरा था और 300 एक्स्ट्रा
3 lakh.
3 लाख सॉरी एक्स्ट्रा बुलाए गए थे सोचो.
Very good interpretation of the question.
वेरी आशुतोष गवाड़कर फिल्म. इज इट जोधा अकबर? नहीं बट उसमें तो मरा नहीं था. इसे नहीं.
Hey, so think in your mind. I whatever movie you say out aloud, मैं assume कर लूंगा कि वही आंसर है.
नहीं, I don't know. Wait, I mean, I'm not giving up. 1 second. I'll tell you. I'm thinking about it. Guinness World Record of 3,000 extras.
पंजाबी में भी बोल दे एक बार ट्रांसलेट.
हर बार नंबर गलत बोल रही.
3 लाख sorry.
0.5 to Shantanu for nice language, multi-language heritage of the contestant has been referenced. Very nice. 0.5 to Shantanu.
ऐसा इतनी बार नंबर गलत बोल चुकी है जैसे प्रोडक्शन वाले, अरे 300 जूनियर ही तो बोले थे, 3 लाख कम बोले थे.
0.5 to Sulagna for bringing the
Industry.
good old days of nostalgia of shooting days to the forum today. Okay, Asad, do you have a guess?
नहीं पता.
Okay, passing, going to Prashasti.
My intuitive answer would be कभी खुशी कभी गम, जब नानी नहीं मर जाती और करीना कपूर होती है जोरदार से. But I know that's the wrong answer. I'll try. Okay, is it Avengers Endgame?
No, not Avengers Endgame. But I will give you 0.5. Sorry, for a second I thought that was the serious answer. 0.5 for Kareena Kapoor. Russian नहीं रोने लग जाती. That's the best Kareena Kapoor crying impression ever. Going to Shantanu now. Shantanu, do you have a guess?
Yes, Gandhi.
Yeah, absolutely correct. 10 points to Shantanu.
Wow.
What film is this?
Lovely, lovely.
Gandhi.
Gandhi. When Asad said कोई famous आदमी मर जाता है, I was like, this is almost as close to. I mean, I felt the answer आने वाला है. So Gandhi, even in his actual funeral, बहुत लोग आए थे. It's one of world's most highly attended funeral. And when they shot it in Delhi, they had like 3 lakh extras for that one scene.
Oh, wow.
Full 10 points to Shantanu. Shantanu leading by a handsome margin right now, but there's a long way to go. We are just 1/4 of the quiz done so far.
All right.
Since Shantanu got it, next direct will again be to Sulagna. This is again one of the most fun questions. So as we all know, Hindi movie industry is called Bollywood, right? As a portmanteau of Hollywood and Bombay. So you combine Hollywood and where Bollywood is based, Bombay. So they combined and made it Bollywood. Telugu industry is called Tollywood because Telugu plus, Hollywood plus T. And Bangla is also called Tollywood because the movie industry is based in Taligan. Malayalam is called Mollywood. What is the Kannada film industry called? That is the question.
It's not the obvious, so I'm thinking. I'm just going to say Collywood because I know it's not Bollywood, but still
Yeah,
saying
it's not Collywood.
Yeah.
In fact, the Tamil film industry is called Collywood because it's based in Coimbatore, I think, in Chennai. Okay, going to Asas now. Asas, do you have an answer?
I remember somebody telling this to me and I'm being shocked. ये क्यों कन्नड़ा का तो कॉलीवुड होना चाहिए अगर कन्नड़ा फिल्म है. डर लग रहा है मुझे भी.
Okay, Asas, do you have a guess? Are you passing?
You're asking. Oh, I passed.
Okay, wow. Okay.
मान गए तुम.
Okay,
में पास.
Prashasti?
मन की बातें बोल रही है.
सॉरी मुझे लगा मैंने ऐसे कर दिया था.
अच्छा ऐसे. Okay. Prashasti?
I think I don't know how it's pronounced naturally, but I think it's is it Andu Gandu.
0.5 to Prashasti, never leaving her comedian roots behind. Going to Shantanu now. Shantanu?
I'm going to make a calculated guess and say it's called Sandalwood.
Beautiful answer. It is called Sandalwood.
Yeah.
So
Beauty.
Karnataka is known for sandalwood, and that's why not Bollywood, Collywood, Lollywood, Tollywood, they call it sandalwood.
TIL. TIL.
exactly what had happened a few years ago. किसने कहा था तो यही वर्ड नहीं आ रहा था मुझे दिमाग में. I was like very surprised कि ये क्या होता है.
इसमें अंडे है.
अंडे तो है.
Okay, Shantanu gets 10 points once more, and the next direct will again be to Sulagna. Sulagna, this is one of the relatively easier questions of the quiz. Okay, so this question has 4 parts. Okay, whose and which famous works are these movies inspired by? So if you say whose work, I'll give you 4 points, and there are 2 points each for each of the work for these 3 movies, and total will be 10.
Shakespeare.
Okay, 4 points.
Makbul is Omkara is Othello.
Omkara is Othello. Okay, 6 points.
Makbul is Macbeth.
Okay, 8 points.
Heather
Only
is
Heather left now.
Oh.
You already got 8 points. You just need to tell me from which Shakespeare's work is Heather inspired from. That's it.
Hey there.
Oh, wow. 0.5. 0.5 for sure for that nice wordplay.
Okay. I don't know.
I love how
Pass on that.
अपनी cover में
we're
हिल
under
रहा हूँ.
pressure you came up with that.
Pass on Heather. Pass on
Okay,
Heather.
so I'm giving you 8 points. I'm reserving 2 points. Asas, you only need to tell me which work is Heather.
Oh.
Hamlet. Hamlet is correct. 2 points to Asas.
एक तो
2
मिला
points
से.
to Asas. And Hamlet is correct. Shakespeare works and Makbul is Macbeth. Omkara is Othello and Heather is Hamlet. Hamlet. Okay.
मैं थोड़ी
Since
इसमें ना बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो जाती हूँ. Experience.
since Asas got 2 points, next direct will be to Prashasti.
Okay.
The Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel in Los Angeles was the venue of the first ever dash held on 16th May 1929. Just filling the blanks. What are we talking about?
Again, the impulse is to say Manik Chand Filmfare Awards.
0.5 once more for that insane Bollywood.
I mean, I will make the most obvious guess. Is it the Oscars?
It is the Oscars. 10 points to Prashasti. Okay. Which means we are almost halfway through, which means we'll reverse the order now. Which also means that in Prashasti got the going to Shantanu, we'll go reverse and start with Asas. Okay, cool. Next direct will be Asas after Prashasti got 10 points on Oscars. Asas, this is the soundtrack of a movie. A few things are blanked out. You just need to tell me which movie is this soundtrack from. A few most famous things are blanked out, but have a look at the other things and tell me which movie are we talking about.
Okay, I know the answer very well, but I'm just still not going to go crazy. Another day of sun, someone in the crowd, me and Sebastian's theme, a lovely night. It's La La Land.
Yeah, that's correct. Full 10 points to Asas on La La Land.
Beauty.
Thanks.
Okay. 10 points to Asas on La La Land. Going to Sulagna now. Sulagna, this is your direct.
I wish this was my day.
Sulagna, connect these movies. I mean, Game of Thrones is not a movie, but I've added it as a hint. There's Lord of the Rings, Fellowship of the Ring, there's GoldenEye, Black Death, Hitcher, and Game of Thrones. There's a very interesting thing that connects all these movies. Just to repeat, this is not necessarily exhaustive. There might be other things on the list also, but these are the most famous ones. And the funda is very, very interesting. There's something very interesting that connects all these things. Okay. I will not give a lot of hint for the first round. Let me see if someone cracks it. If not, I'll give a hint and go back again. What connects these movies? And Game of Thrones. I've added it just to make it easier. Okay, Sulagna, do you have
Okay,
a guess?
I'm just going to guess. Is it something to do with all the writers had seen war and then written just because a lot of them?
Oh,
Or were in the army or like, no?
No, not the right track. Going to Shantanu.
Rasul Pukutti did the sound design on all of these.
No, Rasul Pukutti did not do the same
Wow.
design. Going to Prashasti now. I like the confidence with which Shantanu gives an answer.
Yeah.
Like, even the most ridiculous thing.
I was trash talking Shantanu yesterday, and he's like on fire today. Shantanu, I'm sorry.
I'm not on fire. I'm lucky.
Okay, is it
Okay, Prashasti.
guess?
Yeah,
but
yeah.
Not funny. Okay, normal guess. Okay, so
Okay.
Disclaimer.
because funny तो ऐसे निकल के आ रहा है ना मेरे अंदर से. Okay, so my guess would be: is it are these thematically linked because they have the concept of the chosen one doing something as good as I?
No. Going to Asas now.
I've not seen any of them.
Okay.
I mean, since I've not watched any of them, like just having an idea of what Game of Thrones is, just like fighting for a certain position, like all of them.
No. Okay, so I'll make it a 5-pointer and start with Sulagna once more. So this is like internet has this thing, like it's a funny thing about a certain person's death. Okay, and these
Certain
five are the
person's?
biggest examples. Certain person's death. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
a certain actor character. Okay, and these movies and these works are the big example of that thing. Okay, and that is why it's a very interesting, like in that sense that I can't give you more hint because that will be the answer.
Okay, so the hint.
Okay, all the characters in all these movies die and then come back to life.
No, not about resurrection. Going to
Oh
Shantanu.
damn!
नहीं आता है पास
Okay, Prashasti.
Is it like Caesar type? ऐसे किसी ने घोप के मार दिया हो?
नहीं नहीं घोप के मार दिया.
गोप के
घोप के मार दिया is not the correct. ऐसा
Jon Snow's character, like the actor who played Jon Snow.
no.
इसमें ना क्योंकि साथ में कभी बहुत भी included होना चाहिए था.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, point 5 to Sulagna for bringing back home. Homely. So okay. So there is this theory that Sean Bean has to die. Like Sean Bean comes on screen, everyone knows he's going to die. Famously died in LOTR as Boromir, and then obviously famously died again as Ned Stark, and then he dies in Golden Death and like everything. And this is a beautiful meme that I found, and I can't stop laughing. I don't know who you are, but I will find you. And you will kill me. So none of you get points, but
Yeah.
people
Lovely question.
Sean Bean's death. Okay, since this question was Sulagna's direct, the next direct will be Shantanu. Pehla
Sure.
Nasha is a relatively unknown 1993 film directed by debutant Ashutosh Gowarikar. And it featured your favorite actor, coincidentally, Deepak Tijori,
Yeah.
Pooja Bhatt, and Raveena Tandon. They were the leads. But the movie also has the unique distinction of being the only film where something happened that has never happened again till
Shah
date.
Rukh, Salman, Amir were in this film together.
The clue. Okay, I'll give you part points, not the right answer. Going to
Okay.
almost the right answer. You get bulk of the points. But Prashasti, you have a chance of.
Okay.
The closest
So-
this happened was in 2009 in the movie Luck by Chance. That was an extra hint. What are we talking about? Shantanu is on very right track. I think he jumped the gun.
तो सलमान तो नहीं देखो लग बाय चांस में है ये तो मुझे पता है. And I will just go on the lines of what Shantanu said, that the movie starts with Amir's cameo and towards the end concludes with Shah Rukh's, as in Shah Rukh is the one. Oh, nice.
You're on the right track, but that was there in Luck by Chance.
That
I
was
mean-
Luck by chance, yeah. So
Yeah, both had cameos, but Pehla Nasha was one step bigger. That has
Okay.
never happened ever. Do you want to improve your answer?
they had Amitabh Bachchan also.
No, okay. I'm passing to Asas. You will also get part points because you are almost there. Asas, do you have a specific answer? Thing happens.
अरे यार शांतनु मैं कह रही हूँ वो बहुत सिंपल आंसर था मुझे लग रहा है.
Side chat.
अरे वो माथा पीटेंगे अभी हम लोग जो आंसर है.
What do you mean?
Okay, I assume Asas has passed because we'll keep waiting and we'll realize that हम तो ऐसे कर चुके थे.
ऐसे-
मैं सोच रही हूँ अब मैं पास नहीं किया.
Okay. I like her approach towards them. I'm just so not used to someone on my quiz behaving like
एहसास अगर
ठीक
एक और
है घर की
मिनट
बात चल रहे हैं आराम से सोच रहे हैं पानी पी रहे हैं खाना खा रहे हैं बात कर रहे हैं ऐसे ऐसे कर
मैं
रहे
कर
हैं
रही हूँ इसको क्रैक. मैं कर रही हूँ इसको क्रैक.
मैं राजमा भिगो के आ जाऊं
अंतरू रुक जा 2
1 point
मिनट.
to Shantanu. First person to get 1 point.
तो टाइम थोड़ी है कोई जैसे कौन में टिक 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 होता रहता था. वी कैन टेक आवर टाइम.
तो लंच ही लगा लेते हैं है ना.
मैं कर रही हूँ. टिक 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 टिक.
Okay, no.
Sorry,
Okay,
did Deepak Tijori direct somebody?
No, I'm going to you're going to
Okay.
Sulagna now. Sulagna, what's the answer?
Does it have a song in which Shah Rukh, Salman, Amitabh Amir, all are there in the song. Is it?
No, I'm splitting points between Shantanu and Prashti and closing this. Bulk of points to Shantanu, 7, because Sulagna didn't really add anything from what they said. It's a very simple answer. It's the only
Number.
movie where Shah Rukh and Amir have shared 3. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan and Amir Khan have only come together once
Oh.
in their entire history, which is Pehla Nasha.
Oh,
okay?
they were both.
They were-
Oh.
They were both on screen in Pehla Nasha. You can see this. Sudesh Berry also had in the left.
Oh.
There was Saif Ali Khan
Frog.
also, by the way. It's a dream sequence
Yeah.
where Deepak Tijori is doing something and Saif Ali Khan also comes. Only if Shantanu hadn't said Salman, he was almost there. There was
Oh.
no need to add Salman. And Prashasti, rightly said, that the closest it ever came was Lag By Chance. Where again in the movie both Amir and Shah Rukh are there, but they don't share screen space. They have different cameos. But Pehla Nasha is the only movie where Amir and Shantanu has confused. Amir and Shah Rukh have both shared screen space. So 7 to Shantanu and 3 to Prashasti, which means next direct will be to SS because Prashasti got part points. The Richard Dawkins Award is given to honor a recipient who will be a distinguished individual from the worlds of science, scholarship, education, or entertainment, who publicly proclaims the values of secularism and rationalism, upholding scientific truth wherever it is. After all this gyan, the main question is on 7 June. Someone became the first Indian to receive this award. Okay, so who is that someone? The only hint here is that this is a movies quiz, so obviously he has something to do with the movie.
Yeah, मैं वही पूछने वाली थी, ये तो साइंस आ गया बीच में. इस कर रहे थे
नहीं.
ये क्या तुम साइंटिस्ट को लागे? तो कोई होगा अपना ऐसा बड़ा फेमस आदमी. तो
Yeah, that is a good track to start. Famous army from movie industry.
इंडियन ही होगा पक्का, क्योंकि इंडियन है. सॉरी एक
क्या बैंटर के माइनस पॉइंट्स ही दे सकते हैं.
यार शांतनु, you are the person. Wait. शांतनु wait.
पर्सन होगा ये, इंडियन होगा जी, एंटरटेनमेंट से होगा जी, साइंस से. ये क्या बैंटर है? कुछ फनी तो
Break
बोल.
it down. She's breaking it down.
हाँ यार, आराम से कर.
ये तो
आराम
बड़ा
से.
ही recent है.
हाँ, मतलब this happened when this quiz was being made, like announced.
See, this did not come on my Instagram feed. I don't know about this.
Okay.
I think
Fair,
we
fair,
need to work on your feed after this.
Okay, sir, do you have any random guess? No? Passing to Sulagna?
I'm just gonna guess Anurag Kashyap.
Not Anurag Kashyap, going to Shantanu?
यार,
एक्चुअली मेरे पापा को ये अवार्ड मिला है. मेरा नाम फरहान है और जावेद साहब को ये अवार्ड मिला है.
Oh!
10 पॉइंट
Wow,
दे दो.
wow, wow. Wow.
10 points to Shantanu.
आई एम अ क्लोजेट
And,
संकेत भोसले.
And 1 point for that insane impression.
Impression.
But
Insane.
can you also give some knowledge about this, Kavi?
Because Javed Akhtar has been very active on social media and everywhere else about India's secular credentials, and he talks a lot about national issues and about anti-government and how we are one, and then he's very vocal about all that, and that is why they have conferred him the award. Yeah.
I think I know it because I follow Shibani Dhandekar.
Wow, Shivani Dhandekar led you to Richard Dawkins Award. That has to be the news of.
That's why I told Ehsas we need to work on your.
Enough.
Okay, since Shantanu got the last answer correct, I'm going to go to Prashasti now. Okay, Prashasti, this is a list. Okay, an exhaustive list. When I say exhaustive, these are the only movies in a list. I have blanked out 2 movies from this list. You need to tell me which are those 2 movies. Okay, so let's look at the list now. 1992, Alien 3. 1995, 7. 1997, The Game. 1999, I have blanked out. Okay, the 2 most famous movies in the list I have blanked out. That's also one way to look at this list. Okay, 2002, Panic Room. 2007, Zodiac. 2008, The Curious Case of Benjamin Button. 2010, again I have blanked. 2011, The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo. 2014, Gone Girl. 2020, I think yet to be released. but mostly will come in 2020. Mank. Okay. So this is an exhaustive list. Like I explained earlier, there might be inexhaustive list. For example, there might be other movies also where Sean Bean died, or other movies also about Stockholm Syndrome. But this is an exhaustive list. These are the only movies in a particular list. Two names I have blanked out, the most famous ones. I'll give you 5 points for each of them.
2010, Social Network.
Okay.
And 99 देखो अन्ना तो मैं गांव में थी यार so 99 okay, famous movie, David Fincher, बहुत famous 7 shit यार.
What is this ninja technique? Okay, you're on the right track, of course. This is your funda is right. Your 2010 movie is right. So you already get 5 points. I just want the 99 thing for the rest of the 5 points. I'll give you 10
and
more.
also is one of the most famous movies of this guy, right?
Yes.
Is it The Fight
Okay.
Club?
Yeah, perfect. 10 points to Prashant.
Amazing.
I knew it.
भैया ये बहुत ये अभी
बढ़िया.
Netflix देखने का कमाल है ये सारा.
The funda, of course, is David Fincher. Movies directed by David Fincher. Two movies which were blanked out in 1999, Fight Club, and 2010, Social Network.
Too proud of myself suddenly, guys.
Wow, proud of you.
Yeah,
Kudos.
well done. So since Prashasti got the complete 10 point, next direct is for Asas. Connect these 4 people on your screen. Okay. It's non-exhaustive. Look at them aram se. There's, no need to tell you guys who they are, but I'll anyway do my job. Rishi Kapoor, Imran Hashmi, Sonu Sood, and Randeep Hooda. You need to tell me what connects these 4 actors. Randeep Hooda, for those of you who don't know, is Shantanu's favorite actor of the last 2 decades.
Second favorite actor after Imran Hashmi. And third for Sonu.
And both your actors are right there on screen.
That might be the answer actually.
But 0.5 to Asas for acknowledging Shantanu's lame attempt at trying to connect these 4 people.
Have they all tried to send migrants home? There are no chances. Have the other?
1 point to Asas for contextual. Very topical guess. 1 point to Asas for this beautiful contextual guess that she had. Okay, going to Sulagna now.
Have they all played Dawood Ibrahim?
Beautiful answer. 10 points to Sulagna. They've all played Dawood Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Rishi Kapoor in D-Day. Imran Hashmi in Once Upon a Time in Mexico.
I was also in the
Sood.
last film, Rishi Kapoor's last film. I was there. Never happened.
You're there?
It's not going to finish, but I was there. That film
Wow.
finished. Got the chance to work with him. The great. So yeah.
Rest in peace. Sonu Sood, I think, was in Once Upon a Time in Wadala. No, Shootout at Wadala.
Shootout at Wadala. And Randeep Hooda was in D. Just D.
Yeah.
Just
Randeep
D.
Hooda Just D. Shantu, you're direct. So this is a map. A real map. I have blanked out a certain place in the map. Okay, that blanked out place is actually name of a 2018 movie. The nearest city to this place is Chiplund. I'm giving you hints so that you sort of understand where this place is. And you can scan the map take your time, scan, see if there are any hints. But the question is this. The blanked out place is the name of a famous 2018 movie. I just want the movie / the place. Okay, take your time. Everything is there on the screen. Nothing much to explain.
कुछ मेरे को पता है न्यूटन है क्या न्यूटन
Not Newton. Going to Prashasti.
Pass.
Okay, passing to Asas.
Is it Tumbad?
What a great answer. It is
Oh.
Tumbad.
oh
10 points to Asas.
The
This
film
place
was
is
like
Tumbad. Yeah. Tilagna, this was, of course, the famous movie Thor, Avengers Endgame. This is how Thor looked in that movie for the most part. Okay, which other cult icon, for example, Thor himself is an icon, was this avatar,
Avatar.
our avatar of Thor inspired from? and the visual image. I mean, the image is there to help you in case you didn't know.
I'm just gonna say the first thing which is coming to me.
Sure.
Raging Bull, like Robert De
Not
Niro in
Ra-
Raging Bull.
Oh no, not Robert De Niro in Raging Bull. Going to Shantanu now.
Oh, Big Lebowski.
Yeah, of
Is
course.
it?
Beautiful
Oh!
answer, Shantanu. It is.
Oh,
It is the dude. It is Big
The
Lebowski.
dude.
The
It
dude.
is the dude or Big Lebowski. And the
Yeah.
dude. Shantanu got Big Lebowski or dude. So next direct will be to Shashti. Which movie are we talking about here?
is it? Is it Race 3?
No, not Race 3. Going to Asas now.
Is it?
I don't know. Is it Pulp Fiction?
Yeah. Yes.
I was like, please pass.
Sorry.
मैं वेट कर रही थी अभी आएगा.
I could see it in the eyes of Sulagna, her poker face, thinking, "aa jaye, bas aa jaye."
I had my whole say what again? Say what again? Prepared to do.
So this is Sulagna's direct. Which iconic Bollywood movie did this 1966 thriller inspire? So this 1966 thriller is
जाने भी दो.
not. Yeah, that is correct. 10 points to Sulagna.
Wow.
It is Jaane Bhi Do Yaar. London photographer basically finds a photo and then within the photo there are clues.
Very nice.
This is of course the track of Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro and the core of the Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro. Which means I think we can end the quiz now. We promised 2 more questions and we did. I'll just count the score. I hope you guys had fun. Oh, I just give too many 0.5 without realizing I'll have to add all those 0.5 again.
How 0.5 दे रहे confidence में ये भी नहीं.
टाइम लेके करना के भैया सिली
One
मिस्टेक्स
दे
नहीं
दीजिए
होती.
तुम.
Silly mistake तो कभी किया ही नहीं.
उसका
हाँ
first
मैंने
होगा count.
मैंने रखा
I
था
have to-
पॉइंट्स.
कर रहे.
Yeah. So in terms of just quizzing points, yeah, both the ways there's the same first and second, so it's fair. Thankfully,
Okay.
it didn't happen that quizzing point किसी का कम था और मुझे थोड़ा खराब लगता है. मेरे अंदर के क्विजर को खराब लगता है. But this is fine. Okay, so I will tell the scores. So we'll start with Asas alphabetically. Asas has 37. Okay, she's on 37. Next is Prashasti. Prashasti has 33.5. Okay, now we go to Shantanu. So he finishes at 65.5. Shantanu is the winner of this round. He qualifies for the semis. Now we come to Sulagna. Sulagna ends at 36.5. So this is the score. This is the score for you guys. That brings us to the end of the first quarterfinal. Very, very
All the
closely
best,
fought
guys.
game. Sulagna and Prashasti, you lost by literally. You will remember Hamlet. I think Sulagna will remember Hamlet.
Oh, man.
Every time I make omelette, I'll be like,
इसको extra points दो अभी दो.
अभी तो.
Thank you so much, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys.
Great quiz.
Great playing with you guys.
Great. Shantanu.
Thank you.
Guys, इज्जत
Thank you,
करना
Sulagna.
हमारे क्वार्टर फाइनल की अपने सेमीफाइनल्स में, ओके?
हाँ रखेंगे पक्का.
Please.
Bye.